welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everybody's having a good weekend. So it's Sunday and it's about to be 12 o'clock. So we're gonna go ahead and give away the fire suit that we have up there, draw the winner for it. Honestly, kind of disappointed that more people didn't get in. I don't benefit nothing from it at all because I'm not charging anything. We're actually paying for shipping as long as it's within the continental US. If it's outside of the US, then I had requested that you pay for shipping, in the original video. Kind of disappointed more people didn't get it, entered in. Was hoping to help somebody else in need, but the people that did enter, I feel are very sincere, and a lot of them have been on the channel for a while. We actually didn't gain a lot of new people off of it, which is cool because it means that, the people that are already dedicated into the channel, hopefully it's going to go to somebody that's been around for a long time. So hopefully somebody can enjoy it. Maybe it'll save your life one day. And a big shout out to Chris Kenny with the Night Train for donating it. If you go back and watch the original video, I explained how everything happened. But this fire suit was donated with Chris Kenny for the Night Train, and also Tri-County Transmissions. They own Tri-County Transmissions. So huge shout out to them. Really good group of guys to work with, and we use them for all of our transmission work right here in Wilmington on all of our flip cars. If you're near Wilmington and you need transmission work, it's a very good company to look up and Google and make the trip to drop it off in them, because they'll get you right and they'll take care of you. I've never had a problem out of Chris or any of them guys at all. Let's get to this point. Let's not drag this video out. Let's flip the camera around. Let's pick a winner. All right, so we come over here to the computer. We got YouTube up. It is 12:04, so I said this was going to end at 12 o'clock, and I'm a few minutes late. Let's click our refresh button, just to show everybody that we are on our actual fire suit video, because this is where we're going to get our URL from. This computer is a little bit slow. Okay, so fire suit giveaway. Here's how to win for free. We had, right now, there's 88 comments. 895 views posted on September the 16th. Okay, so we are going to come up here, open a new tab. Google, we are going to search for, let's go down here, YouTube comment picker. Okay, so it's going to pull up a list of stuff. We're going to use this website right here, commentpicker.com. Random comment picker giveaway winner. Okay, it is 12:05. Make sure nobody thinks any funny business is going on. So this website just randomly picks a video. So we need to get our URL right here and post our URL in here. So we're going to go back to our fire suit giveaway video. We're going to highlight our URL, hit copy, go back to our random picker, hit paste. It is 12:06. We are not going to filter out any of these. So we're not going to include any of these. We're just going to run it just like normal. We're not going to make any modifications or anything. You got to do this to make sure you're not a robot. So get comments. And the amount of comments is 36. And that's because we did not include replies from comments. So we didn't include replies. We just included actual original comments. Okay. So now we have our URL. We're going to go right here to start raffle, pick winner. It is still 12:06. Well, there you go. Yes, I could use a new suit. Mine was a hand-me-down and is way too big. There you go. That is freaking awesome. So that is the date that the comment was posted on. And it is 12:07 now. So I'm gonna get notify you that you were the winner, buddy. I'm gonna get this video posted, and then we can get together on shipping and all that. So go ahead and reach out to me and on email. My email is in the description on every single YouTube video. Or hit me up on Facebook and get up with me and we'll arrange the shipping. So there you go. You never know whenever you might win something and I'm not benefiting from this in any way, shape, or form. Again, shout out to Chris and them guys, man. It's just absolutely amazing. This was basically Chris's idea. Like I said, whenever it wouldn't fit me, I was basically just, giving it back to him. And he was like, hey, if you know somebody that can use it, then, donate it to them. And I was like, I really don't know nobody off the top of my head. I was like, but, I'd rather just give it back to you so it goes to good cause. And he's like, why don't you just do a giveaway on your channel and maybe grow the channel a little bit and, help somebody out. So we gained 6 subscribers off that video, if anybody's, wondering about the background information. So again, this really benefited us, me or Chris, in no way, shape, or form. It's just a way to give back to y'all and hopefully help somebody out that could use, a new fire suit. So like, comment, subscribe, share, smash that notification button in case we do any more giveaways or anything, because you never know when we're gonna pop up and do something. Thanks, y'all.